I thought I was confusing it. Moving from room to room. Changing sides of the bed. Rearranging chairs. But somehow, it always knew. The moment I got comfortable, that's when it found me again. At first, I blamed the signal. Then I realized, it was the floor plan.
Most people think of signal systems as being weapons, aimed, fired, and redirected. That's too simplistic. In domestic settings, most signal effects are the result of passive structure alignment, not tracking per se, but geometry. Field effect shaping through interior architecture is more stable than dynamic beam adaptation. UMAX 707. Corners, narrow hallways, door gaps, they guide the signal like a tube. Your house aims the beam for them.
Let's consider 3 factors. Multipath propagation, signals reflect off metal, drywall, furniture, creating intersecting paths that overlap. Passive focusing, certain room shapes act like parabolic dishes, reflecting energy into one consistent zone, like the center of a bed. Material reinforcement, floors with embedded mesh or beams conduct signals that resonate through structure, not through air. A good operator doesn't chase you. They place the emitter where the room does the rest.
You move your bed. You try sleeping on the couch. You spend a night in the tub. And somehow, it finds you again. So you start to believe you're the one being unreasonable. Not the room. Not the tech. You. Because the pattern repeats. But it's not random. It's reverberant. And if you map the angles, you'd see that the structure is guiding it.
I didn't want to believe it. But one night I propped my phone up and watched myself sleep. Not for movement, for posture. And I realized something. I was always rotating to face the same direction, even when I thought I'd changed the room. It wasn't just habit. It was pressure. A slight, consistent tug. The room had become a guide rail for discomfort.
If someone knows your floor plan, through sound, leaks, cameras, or access, they don't need precision. They need one strong wall reflection. One stable return point. One quiet, absorptive piece of furniture. That's it. From there, the house learns where you are. And every time you rest, it confirms it.
Signal-based systems aren't just invisible. They're distributed. Meaning, the emitter doesn't carry all the responsibility. Your walls, floors, fixtures, and even the clutter in your room shape the outcome. A well-placed pillow can block. A badly placed table can amplify. And an old HVAC grate in the floor might be the reason it always starts at your feet.
Your home isn't haunted. It's resonant. And if you've ever felt like you were helping it hurt you, you're not broken. You're right.
Coming up, MBQ 1.5, why it always finds your feet first. We'll explore why lower body targeting is so common, and why certain postures, positions, and grounding states make your feet the most vulnerable point in an invisible, adaptive loop.